After me no blood clot alkaline.
All of them a call up my name for get a eye. Me nah give them no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How we the latest news them
Wagwan, you don't know Media Fox, you know? Yeah, man. You know things said. So, people, I'm going to play a clip because I tell you, you know, that's what I tell you. More while when you don't hear about certain artists, there's a reason why. You understand? Because them fully invest in our next man energy where them leave no focus on for them. Seeing? But people, I go play a video and I want to remember that video, you know. You understand? I go play it now and I'm going to see what I go on.
A couple months ago. Probably about August.
No, what Cartel forward July. Yeah, Cartel could never forward from prison and me go up on my platform and I say, go on like one. After me no blood clot alkaline.
I get it.
So look at now, people. So I'm gonna play a next clip. But the clip where I'm gonna play is somebody with Debbie behind the scene. You see that video we just play? The person with Debbie behind the scene. I go tell you what go on after him say that. Where him just say, seeing? I'm a for shit made dog. I tell you, them money bro. Yo, them artists in a dancehall, brother. You see it? Because imagine somebody asks you about a person and you just randomly just call a next man name and feel like say, yo, after that, your career go just move from where there. But look here now. This is somebody, you see me? We're there behind the scene. And I'm going to tell you what go on. You understand? And when the interview done and everything. Listen what go on.
Wheelchair boss. Rygin King. After film career dead for about 5 years. As Cartel found out from prison. The person them asks about Cartel, where this about, hear him now. After me no Ray Alkaline. Bro,
Alright,
Alright,
I'm gonna tell you this right now.
People, listen carefully.
Never thought this. I thought this right now. That interview was done right. That I mean set up the interview there, bro. You see me? Cause when them fix them, every time I fix them come to Miami, I might shot them shooting. You see me? My girl shop. You see me?
Oh, okay.
Boom. My youth, me the right in front, bro. Me the right. Listen, my youth. And my youth, even my youth. Listen. When it comes to woman, the interview finish or whatever, bro. I say my youth. I ask him man straight up, bro. I say, bro, why you mention Alkaline near my youth? A man say, yo, after me, I rate them man there, dog. After me, I say, what the fuck? Alright, I say, what Alkaline do you? A man say, man, I rate the Cartel. That's why man tell me, bro.
Bombard this my youth.
A man say, I rate Alkaline because Alkaline don't rate Cartel. I tell you this straight up, bro.
People, you see them something a more while. You have to just wonder more while, people. So, all of the video we just play before that. So, you narrate a next youth because a next youth narrate a next man, bro. What kind of emotions you having on the dog? I don't know. I couldn't think them weird, brother. You see me? I couldn't think them weird, brother. But them money no link to the artist. Seeing? Especially Rygin King. Him no link to Cartel, him no in Gaza and every little thing. Seeing? But this man fully invested. If Alkaline narrate Cartel, what that have to do with you? That I problem in the people. So you narrate an artist. All if an artist talented and thing, right? You narrate him because him narrate a next man. Where you then at the music? You rate music or you are a man you love or something. Because there's no way you Cartel and a brother or nothing or you understand? And Alkaline I do him thing, seeing? And true in a year mind you say Alkaline a rate Cartel now, so I not rate him. I don't understand that. I know say a lot of dancehall artists in a game. So one man, no ratings, I gonna make you get in a your feelings. So you call out a next man in an interview. Bro, I see why a lot of these artists is like them not put them emotions in them music like in them work what them do. You understand? It's more focus on whatever next man I do. Or them want to get a hype off a next man. You see, from Rygin King, the situation I'm with him, him run with Ghana foreign scene in a wheelchair. Yeah, who do want an artist go down that road there, yes. You in a year reach here now. Seeing? As Cartel forward out. Remember you know, people, as Cartel forward out, you know. This man do an interview pan the fix. I talk a one bag of thing, you know, because when Cartel did their prison, they try reach out to Cartel and Cartel not give him no forward. Seeing? So he must say, yo, him no know where him do Cartel and this and that. But you know, from Cartel forward out from prison, you know the back and forth with Cartel Alkaline. So him now forward out. But when the youth ask him that, you know, in his mind, it's like maybe him not have no reason, but him just want to hype this. So. You see me, he's a hype him a look. When him a say that. But, brother, the things we wanna say, bro, I don't know that. That not sound right, brother. May I tell her that? You see it, but people, we have to listen more.
Right, me have videos from behind the scenes, bro. You understand? When I try to tell you, me ask him man straight up after the interview, bro. Come in now, like cut it.
No, we can't believe it. Bro, I see the money I love, man.
Yeah, bro. That's the man say, bro. The man said to me, say, bro. The man say, why him say that? Because he may not rate them man. He may not rate them man. I said, what? What man do? The man say, yo, the man no respect.
So you are telling me say that most of them dog you say no read Alkaline because
I can't, but I fuck.
And the opening line with me the fuck say is because Cartel just forward out, bro. So the man him a wave right.
That's
and
crazy,
because
bro.
the man say, yo, him feel like him a get props now. Because him a call first of all,
Alkaline.
him never ask the man not about
That's
Alkaline, brother.
Him never Cartel.
Right, I was right there, gang. I was right there. You
That's
feel me?
crazy, bro.
And the man, after interview, me ask him, man, in a wheelchair, you know, he want to kick over with that class.
Brother, better you say you just not rate the man, bro. But when you have to say because him no respect Cartel, I'm gonna understand this, bro. That sound like some woman thing, brother. Like
That's why I would say man them love music, and man them love. I would say
man, brother.
right.
But when you check it still, you know, Massacre, DeMarco, who else? No for the artists, them brother. And because I can't tell me they don't rate Alka. When you check it, Alka don't them now.
Them forward up, no one.
So yes, people. Yeah, man. No for artists, them, man. A true Cartel. I tell her that. And it's so funny that Alkaline, I want to legend them in a game. And no for them who no rate Alkaline because of Cartel, them no reach stream level. You see me? Some of them no really reach stream level and I push the movement where him have. You see me? I have the fan base where him have. You see it? Because look at now, Alkaline are focused on film career. You see me? Because at the end of the day, Alkaline are obligated to show Cartel respect. Cartel are obligated to show Alkaline respect. I saw you think said, bro. Like, bro, I know him father and I know him son. You see me? But at the end of the day, Alka found out and say him respect every artist. Means him respect every artist who did it before him. I don't know. Some of the time I wonder if I did Cartel alone, did I do dancehall back then to rate it. Because I know my father did it. A lot of artists did it in the game. You see me? Some of them know them put just one person there if you make it look like say, yo, Alka did a look on one artist. You see it? And that's why the youth reach them reach today. You see me, because look here now. A lot of them artists, yeah. Remember, you know, enough of them say the Gaza thing because them just want the hype. You see me? Them want an easier route. So it's easy for say Gaza. Yeah. But maybe I'll behind them back. They must say some different thing. You see it? Because look here now. If them say Gaza, you know the Gaza fans them go say a bag of things and Ray. But genuinely, them not genuinely want to really do it. Them just want to do it because they maybe want to think them gonna gain for Gaza fans like that. But same like Rygin King. After the interview, what happened for him? What really happened for him career after that? After you so-called this Alkaline, what really happened for you? You feel like say the Gaza fans are say, oh, yeah man, you're this Alkaline, yeah man, this, that. Bro, more enough for us. Focus on the career, dog. You see me? Don't follow what everybody I do. You see it? If you're gonna say, yo, you're not rate a man because a next man not rate a next man, bro, that don't make no sense, dog. You see me? And don't feel like say if you do something, you even not gonna make it worse, cause when you do them something there, Alkaline have a second biggest fan base in a dancehall right now, and if you this the vendetta people them, I want a worst thing for you. And the Gaza thing now go run with you either. You understand? Because none of them with this Alkaline because of Cartel. Gaza fans people them not really give them no strength. You understand? Them not give them no strength. So at the end of the day, them only set up themselves. You see, if these are people are not giving no strength, and you this are people here. Nothing of the fear, brother. But Demarco was one of them guy there. You see me? Be a bag of badness, but I'm not going to hear what I say.
All the man who they in a prison. The people, them artists, like Jamaica, them not give Cartel for nothing. True. You see me? I your style, man.
You can't bite him style, and nah, admit
the man,
say it's
yo, everything. The man that sing like him, man, talk like him, man, try to do interview like him, everything.
Yo, you don't know them big man you do it, bro. The man that say Alkaline, I sing like Cartel, I talk like Cartel, and I do interview like Cartel. Like really, dog. Them man, ya, brother. Yo, I know you. Sometimes that's why you see them courageous, you know. Sometimes you wonder, but them type of mentality, yeah, man, them up, bro. Some big man attack them way. You see it? I don't know if I saw them man ya watch man so closely. If you say this a man ya do interview, talk like man and see, brother. The artists them are two different person, brother. You understand? Two different person. And we in a 2026. I don't know. I tell them say them not get 2020 vision yet, you know. I tell you. And the worst thing, but you can't even fully blame Cartel for this. Because it's not like Cartel call them money and say, yo, do this or do that. Some of them money, bro, them put man before them career, bro. Them rate a man more than them own self and them own career. You see me? Because them just want to be on the safe side. You see me? Yeah. Them just want to be on the safe side. So, him say, alright, this is a man, yeah? Alright, you go on, man. You gonna get back this. Remember, you know? Alkaline not diss them artists, yeah. Alkaline just found out and I do him and put out music. Him not diss none of them. You see me? A man just pick up a can and just feel like say, yo, him getting him feelings. You see me? But hear me say.
And I hear this the man pan top of it, you think I go on. People them have to beat you. I got to go on.
So look here now, this is Tammy Lee. You see it? Jaja youth. Boy, come like Tammy Lee did a ball in the people. I want to know what I say, you see me?
But I just not going to disrespect Cartel, man.
Okay. So am this the world boss?
Yeah, and I sang, I take a seat still, because I wouldn't take a seat. But you mean I play a song and give me try to tell me something, you know. So I say, I like a boy, I feel kind of style, man, you know. So I just jam a seat for him, you know. Yeah.
People, you hear them money attack? That sound like a real masculine. Jam on the seat, you know. Jam. So you're telling me, because Alkaline play a song and you hear it, you get in your feelings because Alkaline, the song Alkaline play, maybe a so-called go to your boss. See? You get in your feelings as a man till you end up go beside, go sit down. Remember, you know, flight book, you know. Seeing people, flight book and film seat. Film seat not there near the man. Film seat and not near Alkaline, you know. As some I want to bridging seat. Him go sit down in, you know. Because him hear Alkaline play, I must say object bingo or so. See? And the man getting him feelings. I say, yo, that boy going like him want this the boss. Getting him feelings, gonna sit down beside that man. These are the things we are talking about. You see me? Remember, you know, I know Cartel up on the plane. A Tammy Lee. But because of music, I don't know how them man think and do them thing, bro. There's no way. If me rate a G, right? And alright, a next man I play a next song where, brother, why me I go take up myself? If we go sit down beside a man because our next man get this or you a try prove a point, bro. Allow them think that to a female, brother. And the way how the man talk, people.
But me not going to this very boss, isn't it?
So what about, isn't there one in which he's dissing Killer and Foot Hype as well? What is about that?
Foot Hype and Alkaline and Killer is the same thing, man. Isn't it?
Yeah, people. You see me? I just them type of money away. Them money, them just, I don't know. And this is why Alkaline 10 step ahead of them, you know. And this is why Alkaline career just... The youth career just fly past them, brother. With these. Like, these men out here, not them feelings, because the next man I get hurt. You understand? And Alkaline is just a little youth at that time. A little young youth I do him thing, bro. May I tell you, brother, I don't know how. Brother, I don't think them man not even, when Mother had this cartel, them man never behave so, you know? Them man never behave so, people. May I tell you, them man never, when Mother and cartel them at it, them never react so. That's why I tell you, say, yo, Alkaline is a great artist. Cause him forward and expose enough of them artists, bro. Them man have no backbone for themselves, bro. You see me? No backbone for themselves. Them not get the diss, you know. Cartel get the diss. But the man them would have go to them way for do something. For please, for say, yo, me a defend my boss or cause a man a play a track. And you get in your feelings. For go take somebody else seat just to sit down beside that man. Bro, you no love man too much, dog. Me a tell you no. Me a tell you no, bro. You no love man too much, brother, cause in that way, me don't know where you try proof. And him constantly I say, yo, I try this, boss. Brother, go sit down, man. Some of the time, bro, some of the time, you have to see certain things, dog, and focus on your career. And everything you have to take up, dog. You understand? If Alkaline and Cartel go at it, bro, certain little things you have to just loud. You see me? Make Cartel deal with that. You see me? Yeah. Cause at the end of the day, all if a Cartel hear that, brother, Cartel now go sit down beside no man, bro. You understand? That don't even sound right. You see me? More while for just load something, dog. May I tell you, the iPhone see and the iPhone now run down. And the worst thing, the people, the man, the interview here, you know, is all about Alkaline, you know. Yeah, it's all about Alkaline. That interview they were Tamil do. May I tell you, a man move just to go beside a man because our next man for prove a point, bro. These are the things these man do. The man not move like a G, dog. You not move like a G. The man have feelings, whatever. If a man get this or a man not show no respect, at them man feel it. It come like a Alkaline this them. You understand? And that's why the youth reach far in them career now. Cause you see, because Alkaline just a do what him do and now focus on them money and now think like how them money think. I try run down hype and clout and all of them little thing there. And that's why the youth thing is on a different level, dog. I tell you that. And there's more to forward. You see it? Yeah. And that's why, let me tell you people. It is, to me, when me check it, Cartel is like, Muda say, yo, them dancehall artists, yeah, turn him in a king. To me. Because the amount of dancehall artists me say bow to them money, brother. Seem like where them money I do. You understand? If them feel so emotional over next man I get this. You see me? Yo, Gaza this, Gaza that. Yo, Ray. And now focus on them career. Yeah, man. I just saw a thing said. So, because look here. No for them money, brother. Cartel now give them a strength. Because what? Cartel tell them to do what them a do. You understand? Because Cartel now tell Tamil say, yo, Alkaline go on a plane, you know. If you hear him playing a song, yo, go sit down beside him. And them a do it off of them own, bro. You understand? That's why when Cartel fought from prison, and I see him now get to enough of them certain strength. You don't even face. But I say, brother, you love man so much, you put on a career aside, dog. You see it? Man father road, you not get no strength, dog. This a next youth. And if you know, say, yo, we not get at the end of the day. We not get nothing, brother. You see me? We not get nothing, dog. That's why Alkaline say, yo, all what tried this way soon last. You see me? Yeah. Because the industry, everything, the cartel syndrome. You see me? None of them now fight for them career or fight for themselves. And that's why after a while, you know, them career just gone in a ditch, bro. You know, you're nothing about them. You're not even a 2 year bag of song and all of them little thing there, you see me? But as I think said people, you don't know one media facts. Yeah man, but Rygin King, brother, what you do this, brother? That you not move like a G, dog. You not move like a G, brother. I come like a love man mentality, bro. You see me? You see what you try to get a little hype out of the situation, but it just not work, dog. Wrong move you make, brother. I tell you that, wrong move you make. Cause you go tell a man say, yo, you not rate this man because a man you not rate this man. Bro, come out on the feelings, bro. And be a man, brother. You see me? But people, you don't know things that you know. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. That is it.